Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Tyla here, this beautiful song called Butterfly. So this is basically two chord song here. We go back and forth between two different chords, and this picking pattern is what we're gonna use here. So let's first off start with the capo here. Put that on the 5th fret, and you have the easiest two chords here for this song here if you think of how to handle the notes. All right, so capo on 5th, and we have two chords, the C major 7 and F major 7. So C major first, it is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and also open E there, but the open E you won't use here for this song, but that's the full chord. All right, and then we have the second and final chord, the F major 7. And it goes 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. So there you have the two chords. And yeah, like I said, it's a picking pattern song here. We're gonna take a look at the first chord, the C major 7. So you have two different alternatives here. Since it goes pretty fast, you have one version where you skip one note and it's actually play there in the song sometimes. And you can alternate that with the added extra note there. You have to work a little bit extra there, but I'm gonna show you first the easier version. It goes like this. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open B, and back to 2nd on D. All right, so. And we will play 4 rounds of these patterns here for the C major. So you can play 2, 3, 4. But you can also switch it up with the second version of it, where you add one extra note. And that added extra note is the open G string at 2 points there. So it will sound like this. Okay, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd D, and now comes the open G here, and then open B, and then you go back to open G and 2nd D. Okay, so that is one extra round there. So 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open G, and the 2nd D. You could go that route also. So either you go or a bit difficult there in the end there if you wish. But that's just a matter of practice, and you have all the notes here in the chord built in. You just have to work a bit extra with your picking hand. So that is the first pattern. You will play 4 rounds, so you can go back and forth with these two different versions. So you could play like this. Just throw in the extra notes there in one of these rounds. You play a total of 4 rounds, and then you shift to the F major. All right, so you go to the next chord here and play this pattern first, or this pattern. Okay, so that is the first easier version. 3rd on D, 2nd on G, open E, and 2nd on G. So you see it's the same patterns here. That's the easier version, and then the added notes here, then it will sound like this. So that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, open E, back to 1st B, and 2nd G. Same here, you can go back and forth, you could play like this. You're gonna play a total of 3 rounds here. And then on the 4th round, you will play this part. So here you need to add one extra note here from the F major, and that is on the 3rd fret B string. So the grip will be like this. 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. You're gonna play this round. So that will be 3rd D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and back to 2nd G. That's the final round there. Total of 4 rounds, and that is the final round, this one. So, to summarize this, you will play the C major here for 4 rounds. You have 2 different versions there, and then you shift to the F major 7. You have 2 different versions there as well, but you will play only for 3 rounds there of these 2 versions, and then you switch to the final and play that one. So, it could sound like this. And then you had a final round there as the ending. And then you start all over again. So that pretty much covers Tyla, Butterflies. And this is what you're gonna play from the beginning till the very end. Good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.